The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is still months away from its launch, but leaks and rumors, including those related to its camera and design, have already surfaced. Recently, the device appeared on the International Mobile Equipment Identity Certification website, and a tipster has shared the expected specifications of the upcoming flagship design. Although no images were shared, the tipster suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a new camera layout, possibly with a squircle-shaped lens design. The phone will likely have a refreshed design and new color options. Display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a 6.9-inch AMOLED-to-X display with 3000 nits of peak brightness, an upgrade from the 6.8-inch display with 2600 nits on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Chipset. The smartphone will reportedly be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 system-on-chip, building on its predecessor, which featured the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come with a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This setup indicates an upgrade over its predecessor, which had a mix of 2MP, 5MP, 1MP, and 12MP cameras. Storage. The tipster mentions that the phone will be available in 12GB and 16GB RAM variants, with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB internal storage options, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Software. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to come with Android 15 and One UI 7.1, with deeper AI integration. Samsung is also likely to offer 7 years of software and security updates, continuing the support offered by its predecessor. Battery. The phone might include a battery between 5000 mAh and 5500 mAh with 65 West wired fast charging, along with 25 West wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The predecessor featured a 5000 mAh battery with 45 West wired charging and 15 West wireless charging. AI features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to include new AI enhancements with Google's Gemini Nano and Samsung's Gauze language models, building on the AI features introduced in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, such as Live Translate and Chat Assist. Although the official launch date and pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra remain unconfirmed, it is anticipated to attract significant attention and set new benchmarks in the smartphone industry. Stay tuned for the latest updates, and don't forget to turn on notifications.